Have you seen this pretty little estate tucked away in the capital city of Enugu State, Nigeria? Hey there, it's your girl Abby of Southeast here on your screen again. And in today's video, I will be showing you the progress at Crystal Court Estate, Enugu State, Nigeria. First, I'll give you a brief description. So, Crystal Court Estate is located at the popular Independence Layout, beside Liberty Estate and SPAR Enugu. As you can see in this video, there is massive progress in this estate, and I can tell you confidently that it's about 80% finished. Look at how beautiful the houses are and how quickly they are springing up too. The road network has been fully completed with good drainage system. The development of beautiful estate like this are one of the major reasons I keep telling you not to sleep on Enugu State and Southeast as a whole. It will interest you to know that a 600 square meter size land at Crystal Court Estate is selling at 90 to 100 million naira, while a 1000 square meter size land is selling at 150 million naira upwards, and the already built duplexes is selling at 250 million naira upwards. Southeast Nigeria is coming up. Well, this estate is quite small, that I can say, but this also means it is easier to secure. So that is it for Crystal Court Estates. Now, what do you think about this estates? I would want to know your honest opinion, and please leave it in the comment section. Don't forget to like and stay subscribed to this channel. Until next time, see you in my next video. Bye.